probably the past year and a half, we created what we called our financial literacy series, and our goal was to educate those within our community. We consider our community because we are an employer-based credit union. We have about 120 different companies that we serve within the local New York metro area, and our message in the marketplace is to promote financial wellness. So we said, what are the opportunities? How do we do that? So we created what we called our financial literacy series to help not only educate our membership, but also open up the opportunity to others in the area. And there are many educators that are coming to our literacy events to gain a better understanding of what it means to be financially literate. In the state of New Jersey, they created this 9.2 standard for high schools. And we recognize that many of our high schools needed help and the educators needed help. So we've broadened our prospect, broadened our community. And the events now, that we have an event going on this evening, there's over 100 people that are here looking at technology and how to use technology and their financial services. So we're really interested to see what the reaction is as we introduce some of the technology that we offer out to our membership through our partnership with Intuit, and how we promote financial wellness. We've had a really interesting experience with Hurricane Sandy. Our most active branch location was 25 feet underwater in Lower Manhattan. So the population that existed in that building that was using that branch, there was about 3,000 households that were frequent users of that branch location. I'm sure you can imagine any financial institution's CEO was probably asking themselves, well, what's happening next? How quickly can we get back in there and reestablish that location? Well, today, and it's almost February, that building is still not open to the public. I'm happy to say that not only have we not lost membership, but it was actually unique in the sense that with the branch closure, we've always played that scenario of what if? With that branch closure, we found that the push that we've had over the last 3 years to get our members to adopt the online channel and to adopt the mobile, and this year we recently introduced My Mobile Deposit, the remote deposit capture tool from Intuit. The branch made it convenient for individuals, but when we took that away, we recognized that our personalized service, coupled with the fact that people had access through their smartphones, through our iPad application, and through the online service channel, we didn't miss a beat with that membership base. So they actually just shifted their behavior. So it was a really interesting experience. I think we're still going through that process, and we'd be happy to share more with individuals as we learn as people go through that transition. Social is a growing space for us. This was this past year was really the first year where we took a focused effort on shaping our social media policies. We're introducing a new product platform internally here to institutionalize social media through a product called Q Social, which I think is really great because it allows us to take the media policies that we have and standardize some of our messaging out in the marketplace, but do it in a very efficient manner. So we're in that process right now. I'm looking forward to sharing the message and the efficiency of many of our mobile and remote service products, and capturing the stories of our members and sharing that with new members and new member opportunities through those social media channels. So we see it as just a future outlet as we look to streamline our branch delivery process. Social media is a key component to building success in the remote service channel.